Meaning of ear piercing.
Ear piercing.
Ear piercing.
Ear piercing.
Ear piercing. Ear piercing refers to a sound that is extremely loud and high-pitched, which can potentially cause physical discomfort or pain in the ear. It is usually associated with unpleasant or irritating noise, such as screeching, squealing, or shrieking. The term ear piercing is often used to emphasize the intensity and harshness of a sound, and is commonly used in descriptions of alarms, sirens, or other alarming noises. Overall, hearing an ear-piercing sound can be an unpleasant and overwhelming experience that may cause discomfort or even physical damage to the ear.